Hi everyone, just wanted to explain our assignment this week, which is assignment 5. So there's two parts to assignment 5. First, I want you to create a Venn diagram where you're comparing and contrasting norm reference tests and criterion reference tests. So pay close attention because I know that you guys are familiar with Venn diagrams, but it's not as easy to create them on the computer. If you want to, you can draw it, you can take a picture and send it to me, whatever's easier for you. You can find a template on the computer also. But it needs to look like this. Two circles that are overlying on each other and they have shared space. So on each of these sides, you'll have norm and criterion reference, and you're going to put the differences, like what is independent or unique for one of these tests and then the other. And then in the shared space in the middle, that's where the similarities are going to go, and there's definitely more than 2 similarities, so please make sure that you input more than 2 so you can get full credit for this. The second part of the assignment is I'm asking you to have another informal conversation with a teacher and also a teacher of kids with special needs, and you're going to be focusing on what they do with their standardized test results and how they report these results to families and caregivers. So I want you for the elementary school teacher, the regular ed teacher, I want you to ask them how they use the standardized tests and also how they report this to parents. Do they send home letters? Are they calling every parent? Do they have parent meetings that are face-to-face? Go into that a little bit. Then with the teacher of the children with special needs, I want you to ask specifically how they identify children with disabilities from these results, how they use these results for the IEP, which is the Individual Education Plan, and then kind of ask the teacher to go into the process of the IEP development and assessment result reporting. Just general, don't have any kind of identifying names or any kind of identifying information because it's all confidential. But ask like what the process is with using these test results to help guide instruction and IEP development. So then, based on all of that you just uncovered with your regular ed teacher and your special ed teacher, you are going to develop, it says a report, you don't need to develop a report, it could be a reflection on how to best report the results of standardized testing for each case and what plans can be put into place to improve the scores. So that could be something that you're just kind of thinking, what you think might help. And definitely when you're talking about the plan to improve the scores, think about how the teachers use the scores to guide their instruction. So that's the hint that I'm going to give you. So all of this is going to be due by Sunday at 11:59, and if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me.